I'm muted. I made such a silly mistake. Okay. Okay, so now we can actually test out Opus 5. It is out, it is right here. I can see it inside of my Cloud Code, and we want to put it inside of my 4 elements benchmark right here. And first, I want to check out this benchmark here because they said it's something crazy, better than Fable 5. I don't know how is that possible and if that is even possible. But let's check it out. So here, let's see. So agentic terminal coding 43.3, while Fable is 33.7. Knowledge work 1861, and here Fable. So it's basically better than Fable in all these, and it is also cheaper. I don't know if that's possible. Like, check out this jump between Opus 4.8 and Opus 5. It's more than double. I mean, if we are looking at this benchmark, then this means that Opus 5 is the most intelligent model that ever existed. So I'm really not convinced that this one is that good, that it is better than Fable. But let's check out the prices. It should be highly efficient. Okay. Opus 5. What the heck? So we can see here that Opus 5 low is stronger than like this blue one is Opus 4.8. This is crazy. Like Opus 5 Max is better than Fable Max. And all that while being cheaper. Let me see the other benchmarks. So that one was the computer reviews performance. This is the agentic business workflows by effort. How is this possible? What is this? Okay, so here it's also better. Like, I'm not sure. Like, these benchmarks are so weird. How is it possible that Opus 5 low is so like that 4.8 is better? Even the what's this extra, and even medium is like somewhere there, like Opus 5 low. Crazy. And okay, let's see the actual price. Stronger than Opus 4.8 on cybersecurity tasks. Let's check out the blog. July 24th. Hello, Claude Opus. We want the price. Half the price of Claude Fable. $5 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens. Same as Opus 4.8. Are you kidding me? Man, I can't believe it. Okay, so let's start. Let's here put in we want Opus 5 here for this one. So we're opening Cloud Code. Do I have my handy opened? I don't have it. Okay. So let's put in here Opus 5, fast, max. Did I put oh, we didn't have the reset. And we have the codex reset. So we're probably going to get it like in any moment now. So make sure to burn all your tokens for both. So let's say we want to create 4 elements using Opus 5. So this is the new benchmark. And you need to be creative, so you can put in whatever you want, but it needs to represent 4 elements: fire, water, earth, and air. And let's check it out. So this one looks good. Okay, send. It's Opus 5 max, and we are going to see what is going to create right here. So you can see here the differences. For example, Opus 4.8 max fire and also Fable 5 fire. It's really different, but the biggest difference is actually in air. So this is 4.8 max. Looks really decent, while Fable is really killing it. Check out the shadows below and all these things. It's much better than Opus 4.8 max. And by what these benchmarks are saying, then now we should have Opus 5 doing much better job than Fable 5 even. But it should be much better than Opus 4.8, that's for sure. So we are going to see right now. You can see Opus 4.8 normal. Here, I think, I don't know why here I don't have, I think this one is high. But we'll see now the max from Opus 5. So let's check it out here. Where is the... Yeah, I don't know, like, guys, I'm really... Do you trust these benchmarks? I really have a problem of trusting nowadays, like with all these things that are coming up. It's really hard for me to believe, like, think about the logic. Why would they give us something half the price that is better than their biggest thing possible, and that's Fable 5? Why would they do that? Like, they would just say it's not Opus 5, it's, I don't know, Orc 5, and then they would just make it like more expensive. Isn't that more logical for the money company like we have here? I don't know anymore. Let me put in the video here. So what is this thing doing? It is still thinking. And what is this? Oh, these are the things that I merged. How can I clear all these from Cloud Code? This one is the most interesting benchmark here for me. So the max, even like the extra, is higher than the Fable max. And if this is true, then we have here like the craziest model so far. If this is true, like here also, if you check, so the Opus 5 high is the same as Fable max. So they're saying that by this benchmark. It's really hard for me to believe. I'll have to test it out thoroughly with plans and with complex things. Of course, this benchmark that we're doing, this 3D 4 elements benchmark, it's not something that is showing directly if the model is better or not, because even Grok 4.5 can do the better thing maybe than Opus 5, because this is 3D modeling and 3JS. It's not like real work and complex things. But Grok 4.5 is not better in this case versus Opus 4.8, for example, if we check it out here. Also, Water, for example, Water is really, really lousy from Opus, while Grok, let's see Grok. Oh yeah, Grok killed it with this waterfall. You can see how creative are the models, and that's why I'm saying always be creative. So based on that, models can bring up their own ideas, which is really cool. And let's see, what is this thing doing? Color, concept, not for glowing cards on black, the page is, chemical something. Guys, I'm in the wrong project, fuck. take this one new, and we are going to 4 elements. Opus 5 max, go. Why didn't you tell me that we're in the... What? Can't hear you because of an ad. What does that mean? What kind of ad? Let's see. Yes, I'm using it, but I made a mistake and used it in the wrong project. But really interesting to see that what was it saying? It even tried to do something, and this was really like rubbish to my project. Like, why did it? This one deserves something built, not described. Let me load the design. What, like, it didn't even like. What was it talking about here? Crazy. But let's see what is it going to do. So we need to create here the 4 elements for this benchmark. By the way, guys, check out Sol Ultra. It killed fire. This is the best fire so far in this benchmark. All the models really did a lousy job with fire. It's adding these triangles and it looks ugly. Kimi 3 even, and Composer, but man, Sol killed it. It took literally totally another step to create a fire, and it looks really amazing. By the way, guys, you can test this one out. It's live on 4elements.dev. You can also give it a star. It's fully open source, so you can try it out yourself. And let's see what is Claude doing right now. Okay, it knows now what it is doing. Great. So we are here locally. It's working locally on the Opus 5. I hope that that one is going to look nice. The best way to port existing tasks conversation to Opus 5. I think that the best way is to do a handoff. You have a handoff skill by Matt Pocock. This one. So just go and use the handoff, and you can hand off the entire context to your AI agent. And if you're using Opus 4.8 or whatever, you can just send it to Opus 5. And I think this is definitely the best way how to do it. I'm going to send you the link now right here. Okay. Just found via the shed and scan repo about to use today about... Oh, nice. Really happy to hear that. I did today the support for 10-stack start and also support for Laravel. That one is in PR review right now, but not sure. I think that it's not going to work in Astra right now, but I'm going to definitely support Astra as well. So you'll have to wait on that one, I think. It works with Vite and with Next.js now currently. So what is now Claude doing? Okay. So looks like it's doing its job. And if we check Terra as well, did a pretty good job. Luna, okayish, it a little bit missed the... But this one is really good. I mean, I don't know why, but Air looks the most magnificent of all the models out there. Check out Air here. It always looks astonishing. I don't know why. Anthropic also, and Fable. Sonnet, not so good. Opus 4.7, not so good. Sonnet 5, pretty cool. Although this curtain here is in air. But water is, I think, the most complicated thing for AI now to solve. Only like what was the model that solved it best? I think it was Kimi. Was it Kimi? Yeah, Kimi is okayish. But there was one model that created this one. It created an aquarium, which is... This one was pretty... I was pretty impressed by this one, that it was creative like this. Let's see what is Claude doing. And did we have the reset? No, I have 67% weekly left, so I should have infinite Opus for codecs. I'm fucked. Check out, guys, how much tokens I'm spending for the last 30 days. 47 billion. I don't know how I did that. And if you check the cost, it's $62,000 in cost for the last 30 days. Now, if that's not crazy, I don't know what is. This is really crazy. Soulfire sucks. In fact, if you look, it's not even moving. It's static image. How is it static, my man? Check out, it moves. I mean, it's not that I'm cheering for codecs, but... Oh, you mean the fire behind. Yeah, I mean, you could say that, but it has the effect it needs for it to look okay. While, I mean, we can check Fable. Yes, it moves, but it has these like weird things, these lines, and smoke is cool though, but this one is, I really love it. It has that cozy atmosphere that it needs to have, but you're right, this could move a little bit more, these things behind. Why is this clean shot killing me? Isn't it biased that Fable 5 works in the repo with previous examples? Will it be the best to run it fresh project each time? Yeah, you're right. You're right about that one. It sometimes it takes and copies the other models, but when that happens, I'm telling it now to go all over again. We'll see now, but I have a skill in there that is telling that it doesn't copy all the models and do all the stuff. So we'll see now how is it going to turn out. There it is, it's creating right now. So it thought about everything and now it is going to create. Let's see. Yeah, you're right, it's not moving. You're right about this one. How can I submit my project for review? This is not the open source project review. But you can submit just project right here in the review.thehorde.dev. But I'm not sure when am I going to make those live streams again. I hope soon. And do we have Opus 5? It's doing something. Let's see. Come on. Impress us with your look. And we have Opus 5. Is it working? Oh, damn. Man, it's glitching, it's lagging like hell, but... Oh, now it's not lagging. Guys, I have to tell you, this is the best fire so far. Let's see if it's finished. It's not finished yet even. This is the best fire so far. Look at the flames and everything. It has the combination of all of those, and it's on some kind of throne right here. Yeah, when I go to this side, it started to glitch because of all these particles that are happening behind. It has 7,000 triangles, which is not a lot for something like this. Let's see the Claude thingy. Okay, it's not done yet, so I'm not going to touch anything. Let me just, my whole computer is dead because of this thing. Let me just turn to some other model. Okay. Oh, look at the fire from Sonnet. Oh, thank you for the project live reviews. Appreciate it. The terminal I'm using is CMAX. Oh, you mean this one for... No, this is Cloud Code. This one. This is Cloud Code right here. And I'm definitely going to support AstroForge, shed scan. Okay, build is clean, so it's probably finished. It just needs to check out everything, so that's cool. Let's see. Okay, let's just try it out. So we have fire, okay. Air. Pretty weird air, I have to say. I expected more for air. Oh, Earth is... I don't know why it has always these rings. These rings are something new for me on this project. I have to say, water is actually probably the best one so far. It has even like these pool moments where it's not just water on flat surface, it's like inside of some pool. And again, we have, do you see this one here? And also we, oh no, we don't, we have only circle, but on air we have the same thing. Why is it creating this bulb or whatever it is? Do we have it on fire? Damn, fire is killing my machine. I cannot even look at it. But this is the most amazing fire, I think, so far. Okay. It did a pretty good job. I'm not sure if it's better than Fable. I mean, it's not better than Fable here, that's for sure. Yeah, it has these weird, these circles. And looking now at the shadow, shadow is actually working pretty good, I think. It's following the pattern of the curtain, which is pretty important. Also, you can see it here on the shadow right here. So it's kind of looking good. Let me see. Zush basher fish. Zush. You're welcome. Okay. So it looks pretty cool. Earth needs rework and water's lantern is too close to camera. Okay, so it is actually doing some changes. It's thinking about more things. I'm going to say it one more time when it finishes. I'm going to say it, be creative or something like that, and don't copy from other models, so that we can see like what it can actually do, to see the real power of the model. Really curious to check it out. Let's see Twitch. Is it live? Yeah, it is. Okay. I wonder if my comments are actually working here. Yeah, I don't know why I cannot fix those comments. I have to do it tomorrow. I mean, enough is enough. By the way, I'm live streaming now currently from my own app. So this is VideoOrc, the thing that is live streaming this live stream here. So I'm wondering, is everything good? Is the performance good? Any feedback is welcome. If my camera is good, if everything is smooth, if the screen recording is smooth, I'm really curious because this is my own app that I'm now. Yeah, all good, nice. You can guys check it out. It's called VideoOrc and it's fully open source. Oh my! It just hits 400 stars. Whoa, crazy. Nice. So happy about this. This is my project I announced maybe 2 weeks ago, something like that. I think it was 7th of July, and crazy that it's got 400 stars right now. Amazing. Let's see, what is this thing doing? Let's prepare the prompt. So I'm going to say, I want you to be creative and to think outside of the box about these 4 elements. We want to see the full capability of Opus 5 model, and please don't copy from other models in 4 elements benchmark. We want to see the full capability of Opus 5 model, and please don't copy from other models. Nice. Okay. This one is good. Let's just see when it finishes. We want to see once again what it changed about the air. Did I say to be creative? Yeah, I want to be creative. I want you to be creative. That was the first thing I said right here. Okay, that one is working just fine. And crazy thing is about live streaming and creating things with AI. It's really hard for people, like, what can we watch right now? It was different while I was coding. Live streaming was really natural for me because I'm in the code and I'm just coding like this, and you can watch the code and I can explain what's happening. But with AI engineering, it's totally different. We are waiting for something, waiting for AI to process something, and in the meantime, like, we can drink coffee or something like that. So we can check X, I guess, about these benchmarks and all the things that are happening. They already have 1.6 million views on this post right here. And even if I refresh, probably it has, 2.4 million views. This is really crazy, like what's happening with. Ralph Schumacher hats. Let's see this one. You see, it's copying. Kimi's fire is 8, mine 7. FPS is in line with the existing set. Oh, okay. So that's the AI noticed the glitch with the fire. The software rendered in the floor, not my scenes. The real issues are visual. Let me rewrite with fixes. Earth needs a rework and the other needs tuning. So it's actually checking. So you shouldn't check any other benchmark from any other model. You should work on your own, and you need to be really, really creative with your result. Results with that one is fine. Okay, I'm going to stop it right here and to put in this one. What is it doing? Come on. Cloud Code UI is really weird. So what we got so far here is Opus 5. This is the air, earth, water, and fire, which is really glitchy. So now we want to get the best out of it, and we want it to be creative enough so it creates something that is totally different. Like we have, for example, for Grok right here, that Grok created here a waterfall, and also for Terra, for example, was it Terra? OpenAI Terra for this aquarium. So we want to get these creative things from, oh, look at this water, how lousy it is. This one is really bad. But it looks good when you look at the aquarium like this. So we want it to be creative. And here we can see the log and things like this. We want that kind of stuff from the model to get out. Where is the cloud? Here it is. Okay, so now it started from the beginning, and we hope that it's going to be creative. So what I usually do, I give it 2 prompts. First one is that one that you saw, to create 4 elements, and then the second one is to get the creative side out of it. And then after the second prompt, I usually don't try anything else, because everything after that is really forcing it to be something that it cannot do. So that's why I was really surprised that Kimi didn't do a better job than this. I thought it would do a much better job from what I saw on all those benchmarks and those video games that I saw on Twitter that were created with Kimi 3. So I thought it's going to be much better. But this waterfall is really good. This is maybe even the best water that we have on this benchmark right here. So let's see. Did we get any reset maybe? Can you guys post in comments when you get the reset? Fresh repo. Yeah, we could try something like that. Let's see first. No reset for both. So we still have Claude and Codex, no reset. Damn. Okay. Let's see here. Did I put? Oh, I didn't put the link in the. Everyone, Opus 5 is here. I'm putting to Discord chat the live stream. Okay, so let's see what is Claude doing. And we want, like, I'm even afraid to create a from scratch project. I think it would again do the same thing, but let's try it out. So new, and we are going to put here, for example, let's go to my CMAX, and here I'm going to create a new project just for LM like this, and I'm going to open a new directory, projects for LM, and I'm going to say create a 3JS representation of 4 elements. We should have fire, air, water, and earth. Oh, it even 3JS is good. We need to run this project locally and to see in the browser how it looks, and it needs to be really powerful. So make sure that fire looks good, air looks good, earth looks good, and water looks good. So all 4 elements need to look really good in 3D model inside of the browser. And this one is Opus 5 Max, and let's try it out like this. And what is this one doing? I'll drop the conventional read entirely and go for something genuinely original. Okay, this is what I want. Yes, that's it. Here, always allow and bypass permissions. Kill it. And here, 4 impossible vantages. Each element seen from a camera position you never normally get. Yes, we want that. We want creativity. Now, I think that this second prompt is now going to make it really good. Let's see. Yes, we're live. Oh, look at the poll, 15 votes and 87% Claude. Winning. Crazy. I mean, this is Opus 5 live stream after all. Where is the nothing option? No, nothing. You need to vote for something, my man. Let's see that. Where is your main chat stream? It's on YouTube. You can. I'm mostly looking there for the chats, for the chat messages. Generate a bowl of soup with Opus 5. That's a good idea, man. And don't talk about soup. I'm hungry as hell. Guys, today, I think this was the most productive day I ever had in my life. In the morning, I made 3 long format videos. One is already on my YouTube channel. You can check it out about the new crazy Canvas UI library, and 2 more. Then I had a meeting 1 hour and a half with Shipper Club. You should also join Shipper Club, guys, if you want to be among the best crazy chronically online people. Go and check out shipper.club. We are all there. And after that meeting, I had a live stream with Francesco for 1 hour. And on the live stream, I saw that Opus 5 was out. So when we ended that live stream, I went into this live stream, and now I'm live streaming and creating 4 elements with Opus 5. Okay, so it looks like it created fire and water. Hey, Chuck. Awesome that you came here. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the Twitter that much. Okay, it's now creating air. Let's see if the fire is changed here or not. Fire. We are going to OpenAI and then no OpenAI, sorry, Anthropic, and then it's killing me. Okay, we are going to wait. Sorry. It's refreshing all the time. It's doing something. So it looks like it finished fire, air, earth, and no, again, earth. Okay, we'll see. I'm not Russian, although I sound Russian, right? Vlad, dearest of all my friends. Anyone know from which game is Vlad, dearest of all my friends sentence? You have to be really hardcore gamer to memorize that sentence. Man, this last video on Canvas UI doing pretty good. Come on, Earth. Opus, build us Earth. Faster. We need that Earth. Oh my, Chuck, you know. Can't believe it that someone knows that, actually. Did you Google it? I mean, AI it, or you knew it, really? Oh, it sounds like Red Alert as well, but it's not. It's Max Payne. Chuck knew it immediately. That's one hardcore gamer right there. Okay, so it's doing already 10 minutes. Let's see our... No reset yet. I think that T-Boy is going to reset Codex any moment now. And he even wanted to do that yesterday, but Opus 5 wasn't released, so he's waiting for that one. I'm sure of it. And that's why my limit is so low. So I think that in next 1 hour we are getting the Codex reset. That's for sure. Yeah, you knew the character in your head, yeah. I know Vlad is nuts, but he's got a lot of connections. Now that's for more hardcore gamers. Yeah, Vlad, the dearest of all my friends. That was the pain in my childhood, like Vlad being the villain in the end of the Max Payne 2. And he was the awesome friend guy, the entire franchise. Okay, Earth, Moss should face the camera. Moss, now that's the thing that I love to hear right here. Air needs a stronger read. I'll make the interior dark so the skylight becomes a blazing approach. Okay, so it looks like we are doing something really cool from these thinking things. I don't know if we should now click to check. I'm always afraid that I'm going to ruin something. Like, let's check 5, for example. Opus 5. Oh my, what is this? Guys, do you notice that Opus has some strange fetish with these circles? And it had it in the last result as well. What the heck? What's this? It's some window on the ceiling. And we have down there the shadows. Can we actually look through this one? No. What is this crazy thing? Let's check Earth. What is this? Some kind of wall? Man, Opus is doing some strange things right here. But I guess it's creative. I mean, let's see, water. Yeah, like it has something of going into strange angles, which is totally different. And here we can see that we are actually inside the water. This is probably the best water so far. I think this one is even better than Kimi. I think it's definitely the most realistic water so far. So if we check Kimi right here, I mean, it has the waterfall, it has that creative angle. But again, here, oh, now it's doing something. Damn. Let's see, what is it doing? Air reads beautifully now. Earth's moss planes read as flat rectangles, though. Okay, so it's changing now. Earth again. Fire's overhead angle hides the flame itself and is the slowest scene. Let me tilt it. Okay, so it's going to change here also the fire. So it's doing good things, all right. Check the other session. Yeah, it's running still. It's also max, so both are doing with Opus 5 max. Volumetric ray march rather than layered sprites. Okay, this one sounds good. Ready to work. Are you hearing my orcs? Man, I'm hungry. And this guy mentioning that soup. Let's see this one. Yeah, Chuck, you're right. I also, but it's kind of like nostalgic for me. I also want to try out and to put in the Goliath from StarCraft. I don't know, like Peng Ping, this one. Which sound does it have? There is, I think, StarCraft mode as well. Wait, Orc Peon, okay. Human peasant, Soviet engineer, battle cruiser. Yeah, this one would be awesome to put. Make it happen. Oh, there is also Sarah Kerrigan. But Orc Peon is the really nice project. And it has so many stars. This is the like 5,000 stars. That's really crazy for a project like this. You can see like how good moment is really something for these kind of projects, for fun projects. Let's see what's happening. Which one is this? So this is the 4 elements one, and this is the 4 LM, which we are going to try. Okay. Hey, Ant, how are you doing, my man? I'm doing great. Testing out Opus 5. Busy day. Lot of camera. Hey, hey. This one is trying to take my port. No reset yet. Okay. Let me turn on this one because it's probably killing my performance having 2 4 elements running in the same time. Oh my, look at this. This one is going to look crazy. Wait, which port is this? This one? Damn. What the heck? Look at Earth. Man, this is looking crazy. Damn, look at this. I mean, it's not real fire. It's not, those are like some kind of atoms of elements, but still, it's really impressive, man. This is really, really awesome. Man, this is showing us how much like old context is killing all these models. Damn, when you compare it to something like this, then I mean, it's not the same thing again, but if it started with a logic like this with the Earth, it would probably be much better. What do you think, guys? Have you seen this? Man, crazy. And it's not done yet, I think. Let's see what is he doing on this one. So we have here Opus 5. Still the same thing. This water. And no, sorry. Earth. No, this one, it cannot, like, we cannot even talk about those two. This is the real measurement. I need to repeat this same thing with Kimi. Damn. Okay, let's try it out. So, how to do that? Let's go again here. 4 elements, Kimi, and we can just go to 4 elements, Kimi. How can I run Kimi again? It's just Kimi. Okay. And I can put the same thing, this prompt, inside of Kimi max. Come on, Kimi, do your best. Minecraft HTML. What is that test? Minecraft HTML test. Man, look at these elements. I have to push this somewhere on Vercel so I can show it off. FPS is pinned at exactly 23. Okay. We saw that one. Let's see what is this guy doing. This guy is not doing anything. Kimi 3 is right now creating the third project. Let's see what is it going to do. Oh, now it actually changed. Look at our water now. No, this is air. Oh my, it is becoming even better. Look at the water right here. Damn! Is this possible? Look at the fire. This is crazy. Now it even looks better than it was before. And it's not glitching like this stupid thing right here. I need to recreate this whole 4 elements project. I need to do it somehow. I need to think how. I could probably, you know what I could do? I could just keep this UI right here, and I could just keep this part, models, and remove this benchmark from here and just create outside things like this, and then just put it as Opus 5 Max right here. And then we can see all 4 models inside and render it like this from the outside. Yeah, I need to do that. And then we can see actually the real thing. It's obsessed with circles. Try the selector at the bottom. Well, which selector? This one? I tried it already. It's going fire, water, earth, air. Crazy. Man, what is Minecraft HTML test? You're just copy pasting it. I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, and I already have a video about Canvas UI, and you can check it out on YouTube. Is it cheaper than Sol? I think it is. I mean, by the looks of it, how they're saying here, we can see that the price is $5 per million input, while it's 25 per million output tokens. So if we check GPT Sol price right here, we can see that, yeah, it is cheaper. It's also 5 per input, but Opus 5 is 25 per output, and while GPT 5.6 Sol is 30. So it's definitely cheaper than Sol. And by the looks of it, it should be much better, but we still need to test that one out. Kimi is now grinding there. To create Minecraft in the browser. But that one is, I mean, you can do that with Opus 4.8. People already created that one easily. That shouldn't be a problem. I'm really so impressed by this one. You know what I'll do? I'll create one good prompt that I'm going to use for all of my benchmarks for these 4 elements thing. And then I'm just going to use the same prompt for every model from now on in the outside project and then import it to the project inside. That's the only valid way to actually test the model. Well, you know what? I'm not sure if Opus 5 is better than Fable and Kimi 3, but the benchmark is saying that Opus 5 is much better than both of those. I mean, Kimi is not the same level as Fable, guys. Don't think that. It's much below. It's not even Soul level. So it goes Fable, Soul, and then a gap, and then Kimi. But here they're saying that Opus is, so here we can see that Opus Medium is better than Fable Max, which is really crazy. So we'll see. We still have to test around all these things. But this one is telling me that Opus 5 is crazy. This is something that I didn't expect from an Opus model. To create an animation like this. This looks like games from 2007. It's not like first we started like games from PlayStation 1, now we are at games at PlayStation 3. So it takes 6 more months to be at PlayStation 5 level, probably. And it's really crazy when you think about that. Let's see, what is it doing? And I have here also Kimi running, the same thing. Let me make this smaller so you can see it. Actually, let's close this one. Is the fresh session finished or still working? Oh, it's still, all the sessions still working. Everything's still working. So this one is this session right here that we are seeing, and it's still working on that one. Oh, we can see now fire different, even maybe worse than it was before. I'm not sure. And we have this one working, and that one is this session right here. And we have Kimi now cooking completely new project. So we are going to see how that one looks. Kimi should be really good for these 3D things. So we are going to check it out. But this one is really amazing. Look at the air. And water. I don't know. I think water and earth are the most impressive out of these four elements. Look at earth. This is really PlayStation 3, maybe even PlayStation 4. Oh, it has these Sims things around. It really did a great job. And we are like on this some world thingy right here and stars around. It's really looking amazing. I'm really impressed what Opus did right here. I can't believe it. Yeah, this is Opus 5. Opus 5 did this thing in one prompt, guys. In one prompt. And we can see it right here. Prompt was so stupid, like create a 3JS representation of four elements, which would have fire, air, water, and earth. So it was just creative enough to create something like this. In one prompt. I don't know how many tokens for this entire thing, but 27 minutes, it's really long. Did we have no reset yet? I have to put this in a new benchmark to make this good. And Kimi is cooking. Why is it destroying the fire? Fire is looking worse and worse from some reason. It was much better before. I don't know why is it destroying it. Let's see what is it thinking about right here. Fire has proper color now, but reads squat and fat. Fat, tightening the flame profile. Fire reads as a smooth cone. The turbulence isn't showing through. Let me rebuild the flame field. Okay, so it's going to rebuild it. That's good. We need fire to look better. I think maybe air should be a little bit better, but I think water and earth are literally perfect. Yeah, flames are now better. Oh my, better and better. These really look like flames. Check this out. I can't believe it. We came here, guys, from this. Come on, work, goddammit. From this right here, let me show you Anthropic 4.7, for example. So this was the fire before. This was the first fire that I created with Opus 4.7. We came from this to this. And when was Opus 4.7 released? Probably like 2 months ago, 3 months ago. And now we have something like this. Check out the water. So we had this water. Oh, this one is now cooking, so that's why it's slow. But we had this water right here, and now we have this water right here. Look at the reflections. Man, I can't believe it, really. This is really crazy. What do you think, guys? Can you show or have you done it with Fable 5? I did it here with Fable 5, but it is not measurable because in this benchmark, it looks completely different. You can see here Fable. Also, air looks pretty good, but I need to run it outside of this project because it starts to copy from all other models and it's not doing its job in the right way. I need to run it outside, same like Opus 5 here, and then to see what is it going to cook. I'm going to do it as well with Fable 5. Let's see Kimi. I'm counting on Kimi here to do something good. Come on, Kimi. Let's get it to make fire cooler. I think it's working on the fire. No, it's now working on the water. Water is blowing out, measuring the actual contributions rather than guessing. What is it talking about? Don't touch the water. It's perfect, man. Okay, it's something for the reflection. I'll just leave it. Let's see what is it going to create. In the end, I can tell, just make that fire magnificent and not... I don't know why is it so cheap. Everything looks powerful and only fire like, eh. Guys, if my live stream dies, that's because I'm running 1 million things like with 3JS on my computer. Okay. So far, I'm using Opus 5 on 2 laptops. Personally, it's going through my agentic Robinhood stocks portfolio and adjusting what I had. It's doing well there. Okay. Here, can you at some point make a video live on Laravel plus Inertia plus React? Yeah, sure. I'm definitely going to do that. I love Laravel. I used to work with Laravel a lot. And I just did I made a PR for my shed scan for Laravel. It's right here. Yeah, add a Laravel inertial React framework adapter. I think this one is going to be really useful for Laravel devs that are using shed CN with Laravel. Let's see what are our agents doing. So this one is this session right here, and it is earth sterene is excellent, but the crystal's red as flat plastic. That's right. I would also fix that one, so that's a good. Rebuilding them as a gemstone and shrinking them. Nice. Oh, so those are actually some kind of gems right there that AI is trying to create. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Let's see what is this second thing doing. Let's just stop this. Oh, it already stopped. It has running one step. Just stop there. We don't want this one to burn tokens anymore. Let's continue with this one and with Kimi. Kimi is so slow, man. It's really, really slow. Do I have usage here? I have 7%. I wonder if it's going even to make it in the session usage. 7%, and we still don't have anything. We'll see. Okay, so we have now here gems. Thank you. What you used Laravel? I used it before when I was working for some companies. And ShedScan is my newest project that I launched yesterday. It's a UI audit for your ShedScan app. So you literally just run this command right here, and it audits your app and it gives you the score. And based on that, you're getting the agentic handoff, and you can just put it to your AI agent in order to fix all the best practices and things that you have. I can show it right here, for example. If we go to, let's say, my headless shed CN, and if I run it right here, we are going to get the score for my app, which is 100 out of 100. But if we go, for example, to OrcDev, this one shouldn't be 100. Oh, actually, I fixed it. I forgot. But if we go, which else ShedCM project I have? I don't know. I fixed now all of my projects, I think. Let's say textual games. Yeah, this one is 56 out of 100. So now I can just copy this agent handoff, open my Claude, or I can do it literally from here. Just open here, from Claude, and I can give the handoff and it fixes everything, so I can have 100 score for my app. Pretty cool. Check it out. It's Shed Scan. Let me send you the link. And you can, guys, give it a star if you want. OrcDev instead of CMAX. Yeah, I should. Let's close this one. What do you guys think? Is Kimi going to cook and beat Opus 5 right here? Oh, I closed the... I don't know. Let's see. What is he doing? Is it dead? Kimi, don't die on me right now. Oh, no, it's working. Okay. I saw some DOM instances, matrix and something. Let's see. Oh, look at the air, guys. Air is updated. Man. Now it's like some kind of cyclone something. Yeah, definitely think it's better now. Only thing left is now the fire. Is it responsive? This one? I don't think so. I mean, you can just do it like... Oh, it's not responsive here. And here as well. Come on, Kimi, cook something for us. Really curious if Kimi is going to beat Opus 5 on this test. Air's rings read as plastic tubing in the cloud has no swirl structure. Okay. Yeah, air is now looking much more airy than it was before. Yeah, water in the middle would be really good. Oh, look at the air now. It's changing the direction of this air thingy. Let's see, Kimi. And what are we doing on usage? Oh, man. Are we going to make it with Kimi? I don't know. 59% of session used with one prompt. I don't know if we're going to make it, guys. Okay, so wind is done by the looks of it. Pretty cool. Yeah, it was 7, but now it's more. Let's see again. Yeah, now it started probably to generate, actually. It's still 59. Man, check this one out. It's pretty bugged. Look at this. Come on, Kimi. Don't do that to me. No, it won't go up. I cannot go up. Damn. Let's see what is Claude doing. Fire is undersized next to the others. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Let's make that fire better, man. We are waiting for this fire to be magnificent and nice. First launch of Fable 5 was much stronger in my opinion. Well, we still need to test it out. We don't know it yet. Like doing things like this with one prompt, that's a different thing. But if you're building something, planning, execution, and all the things, you need to feel it. It's not like these benchmarks are not telling everything you need to know. I mean, I don't know, like, tell me, guys, in the comments, do you believe these benchmarks? Can you believe really that this medium of Opus 5 is better than max of Fable 5? I really can't believe that. Like, how is that possible? And in the same time, they're giving us Opus 5 for half the price of Fable 5. Like, how can that be possible? Why would they do that? Like, we are seeing here in the benchmark that everything is better than Fable except these four right here. But the most important one, this one, is much better, like 10% more. I don't know how is that possible. Why are they not calling it then something else like Fable 6 and then selling it for the right amount of money if Opus 5 is that better? I don't understand it really. Now we cannot even check if Kimi is doing anything because npm install, okay, approve. I hope that it's going to run now because we are losing our... What is it doing now? Vit, okay, approve for this session. Come on, Kimi, let's see what you did. We want to see the results. Approve for this session. It's running on port 5173, so it should work. That means that it is done. Let's see. 5173. Whoa, okay. Fire is looking pretty good. Can I zoom out? Yeah, I can. Yeah, fire is pretty cool. Let's see the water. Pretty nice, I have to say. Earth. Well, Earth is a little bit of a fumble. I think this is not good enough. It's hardly visible what's actually happening right here. And we have air, a cyclone. It looks pretty nice. I think this one is good. What do you guys think? Who cooked better? Kimi 3 or Opus 5? What do you think? In my opinion, I think that Opus 5 was even better than Kimi, but Kimi is impressive. This water is really impressive. I would say that fire and earth are better with Opus. And air, let me see air again from Opus. I think that air from Opus is much more complex than this air right here. This is just a bunch of particles that are moving around, while this one is actually, you can see here, like they're going in different direction and they're not just regular like dots particles. Those are actual objects that are moving around. I think this one is much more complex than this one, but water is pretty impressive by Kimi. I think this is the only thing where Kimi is beating Opus 5 right now for this animation, and that's this water. Although this water is really awesome. I mean, but check out the reflections of the water here on Opus 5 and the reflections here. I think reflections are better even on Opus 5. It's giving us much more that 3D, that alive feeling versus this one. I have to say that Opus 5 is beating Kimi right here. What do you think, guys? Yeah, Opus 5, I think as well. Let me change this poll. Can I create a new one? I think I can. Yeah. Who wins here? Is it cheaper? Well, you know what? Sonnet 5 is crazy expensive, and I don't know why. But you know what? You have to think, when you're thinking about the price, you have to think about the effort level, and you have to balance this one out in a good way. Like when you think about it, for example, when we were measuring Opus 4.8 and Fable 5, Fable 5 Low was much better, cheaper, and faster than Opus 4.8 Max. And that's really crazy, but I used Fable Low really a lot instead of using Opus 4.8 Max, for example. Now we are coming to the same thing. So here, I don't know, again, I'm not saying this benchmark here is true, but this low effort here for Opus 5 should beat, by their benchmark here, should beat Fable 5 medium. And that is really crazy, because this one is obviously cheaper than anything we know, because it is only, what, let's see, $5 per million and 25 per output. And let's see, Sonnet 5 price, 2 per million input and 10 per million output. Well, there is a big difference in the price right here. But I think that if we are measuring token efficiency, if we are using Opus 5 Low versus Sonnet 5 Max, that Opus 5 Low is beating in token efficiency Sonnet 5, because it is going to do much more in much less time than Sonnet 5, and it is going to get better result, of course, for you. So that's the final thing that you need. How many lines of code did Opus 5 write? That's a good thing to check. Did it finish? It's this one. It didn't finish right here, but we can ask it. Let's open that project. Kimi is asking things. Let's check the usage first. 84%. It burned my entire session usage for that one thing. Okay, so we need here, what's it called? For LM. We are going to open it in Cursor to see the actual code and everything. So we have here sources, elements. Man, there are a bunch of things here. Earth. Is it using? Man, it is using JS. It's not even using TypeScript. It uses JavaScript only. Crazy. Lot of code, I can tell you that. But picking JavaScript, I mean, I guess that's the easiest way for for model to function. I cannot press diff because it's not it's not a repo or anything. I don't know if, yeah, it cannot work. It works here because I have a repo, but here I don't have a repo for this one. This is a completely new project. But we can check here. Here it's you can see it right here for the 4 elements that's made there. And let's check if Kimi changed anything. Maybe Kimi suddenly becomes different. Oh, you can see Kimi using a lot of particles. I love that it placed here also keys like 1, 2, 3. I can change with my keyboard all the elements, which is pretty cool. And here also we can click. It didn't even make the fire in the end better. It needs to be much more contrasty. We can try to make it a little bit better. Is it done? There it is. So after 53 minutes, it created the entire project. That's a lot. That's really a lot for something like this, I think. Make fire much more magnificent. We need it to look good. It needs to be attractive with the good contrast and to look like a real fire. Now, currently, brightness is not good enough and it's much more inferior versus other elements. Okay, let's try it out. We need to make that fire to look good because now it's really looking inferior when you think about it. And we need to see the best out of this model. And I think fire is the best possible way to see it. No more water. Die. Okay. I gave Opus 5 low a task. My fire window resetted, so I will tell you how much it took me from your regular pump. Awesome. Is there any reset? No. Both Claude and Codex, no resets for now. Okay. Yeah, I also had my reset now for this session. So let's check it out. I only have 44% left for Fable. And I have to tell you guys, I still believe more in Fable to plan out some complex things for me. We'll see. Maybe I'll get it there. I'll try out definitely Opus for some complex tasks. It's thinking now. Okay. Should we deploy this one? This thing right here? We can deploy it on Vercel. I just need to create 4 elements Opus 5. Put it just like this. Okay, that's in the 4 LM, I think. Putting it on a GitHub repo. There it is. And now we can Just deploy it from Vercel, add new project. What's it called? For something. This one. Of course, it's probably going to break, but we'll just tell AI to fix it. What is it doing with fire? Let's see. Yes, it needs to be the centerpiece, not the weakest element. And the radiant halo. I don't like that halo moment, but let's see. Maybe it looks good. Oh, okay. It destroyed it. We'll see. Maybe it makes it better. But I think that the fire looks better, but this halo is not that good. Oh, it looks like it deployed successfully. Yeah, it's working. Let me send it to you guys. You can check it out. Nice. I'll push this fire when it's done. Yeah, it looks pretty cool, and it also feels smooth. We can see here that it really cooked the fire inside. Man, it's so much better. Let me send it to my guys here in Shipper Club. Okay, now it's much better, I think. That halo is gone. Earth is pixelated. Well, no, I think it's really good. Like when I zoom it in, it looks really good. I think that this Earth is the most impressive thing for me. It cooked so good, like this looks like God of War graphics. Crazy. And water as well. Really good. Oh, really? Higher quality. How is that possible? Let me see. Maybe it's because, let's see on the live. Yeah, on live domain, it's also really good quality. Maybe which browser are you using? Maybe it's the browser. Although it should work. Strange. I mean, Firefox always has those kind of. Oh wait, this is Firefox. This is Zen browser that I'm using. It also is based on Firefox. Let's see the fire. I'm not sure if this one is better or not now in this moment. I think this is even worse than it was before. We can see it right here. Yeah, I think this fire was even better than what we have right now. Oh, it's okay. It's working on it. It's changing all the things. We'll see. Maybe it gets the better result. Let's see what is it thinking about. Yeah, it's trying to fix it. Okay, I guess it's going to make it. Let's see. Is it changing it? No, I think it's that I'm just going to check out these changes. If it doesn't fix it in a good way. This doesn't look like a fire at all. I mean, it's just glowing, which is good, but I mean, now maybe it looks like a fire from distance, but yeah, from distance it actually looks really good, but when you zoom it in, then it looks really weird. Man, can't believe it. What are we creating with AI? Oh, Kimi is still asking for some things. Kimi, did you kill my entire usage? 84? Okay. By the way, guys, while we are waiting, check out what I created with Grok 4.5. This one is really crazy. Orc ball. You can even play it if you want. I created the Orc ball game, and everything works really perfectly. Wait, where is my... This was everything was completely created from scratch with Grok 4.5. Man, like I'm starting to tell all these models in the wrong way. With all these power-ups, with full levels, everything is working. This is really crazy what we can do with AI these days. So I just gave it an idea that I want the like classic breakout bricks game, and it just created me this literally in 1 hour. This entire thing was finished. I really couldn't believe it, and everything is working perfectly, and it's even addictive. Like I played all the levels. You can see we're going like to the next level, and everything working really good. You can see now multiple balls and live here and these power-ups. Crazy. Okay, let's see what is... Oh, I can send you this game if you want, Orc Ball, if you want to test it out. Yeah, it saves progress. Let's see the fire now. What is it doing? That white is the flame itself, not bloom. Okay. I think it's broken. It's still summoning the elements. I feel like the pro plan is starting to be useless. After 4 prompts, I get the usage limit. Yeah, I think you're right. I think that without Max, you cannot really do anything nowadays. Unfortunately, I think that current build, like perfect build for AI engineer, is to have 2 Max subscriptions. So you can have $200 Claude plus $200 Codex, or you can have, for example, $200 Claude plus 200 Cursor. So really depends what are you working on and which models you prefer. But I think that 2 max subscriptions are really good enough so you can build anything you want, literally. Like you can cover anything. That's probably the best current build right now. Here it is. Oh, it actually fixed the fire. Now it looks really like some kind of fireball, but not from this angle. Oh, now I really love the fire. I think it is much better than it was before. Except this, I don't know what's happening here, but like this, I really love it. It really looks like the fire. This is real fire. Did anyone tested this one maybe on mobile? I'm really curious how it works on mobile. Let me try it out. I just copied the link. Man, it works really good. Check it out. I can't believe it. It's so smooth on mobile. This is crazy. Like, look at the earth and everything. This is really crazy. And what is this Kimi doing? Why is it asking here for... Yeah, now this is real fire. I love this one. This is now the real thing. This is the best fire I've seen so far generated by AI. Crazy stuff. Yeah, real smooth on mobile. I can't believe it. Really crazy. Oh, you played the... Yeah, Orc Ball is working on mobile pretty well. I tested it out last night. Can't wait to push this one to live. What is it doing? Let's see. It's checking the GPU time since the Raymarch is fill rate bound. Nice. Okay. Oh, by the way, guys, check the latest video from today. The craziest UI library you ever see, like literally. This is something that, and I think we are entering some new era where we are going to see more and more of these crazy things. Anything is possible right now, literally. And why is I'm checking now my Twitter. Why do I have so only 100 views? I'm wondering if there is something like maybe private or unlisted or something. I should have more views there than on YouTube. Crazy. Let's see the fire. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Fire from hell. That's what we need. Why has Opus only 200k context and not 1 million? And is the fast mode better? Well, I think that fast mode is literally if you have tokens or not. It's exactly the same, it's just faster or slower, and that's it. And 200k, that's the way how they made it, and that's it. Yeah, definitely Opus 5 killed Kimi 3. Let's be cool. The people are asking me if how is it possible that Opus 5 killed Kimi. I want to show them right here. Okay, so this is where now currently AI is working on the fire, so that's why this is not working, but this is the example from Kimi. So this was created by Kimi 3. This is the fire, and you can see that it is made out of particles, bunch of dots here in this fire, and this ground right here. We have the water. Water is pretty impressive, but it is still not close to Opus 5. We have earth, and here it really flopped with earth. You cannot see anything and these things going around. And we have air, which is basically just a cyclone, again full of particles, just particles and dots. While we have here now we cannot show. Oh, here it is. Okay, so this one is from Opus 5, where we have this fire right here. So this is now a new thing that we are creating. We have the air, earth, and earth is so crazy. Check out when I zoom in. We are really talking here about PlayStation 5 graphics right here. Earth is really crazy, and we have water. Check out the reflections here on this water. And we have all these bubbles going around, really cooked with water. This is really crazy thing. It killed Kimi, really. What is he doing? How many tokens I burned actually on this one? It's not that much. I burned only like here we can see 98. Oh, I need to refresh. No, it's actually good. 98% after that reset for my session. So it's not that much. That's good. Okay, now when Opus finishes this one, I'm going to push it and then we can call it a day. So what am I going to do is I'm going to recreate this entire benchmark that I have on my 4elements here on 4elements.dev. And I'm basically going to remove this whole thing from here to choose fire, air, earth, water. I'm going to leave only the models, and then we can go and literally just here click Opus 5, and I'm going to open this thing right here. And then when we go to click on Kimi 3, we are going to open this thing right here. So I'm going to create for each model benchmark outside of that project and then later just integrated inside of my 4elements.dev benchmark that we have right here. And that's actually the real, that's the only real test that we can put for the models. So we can get amazing things like this. Oh, I see, Matteo, you're putting on Discord. Yeah, it looks different from you for some reason. I don't know why. Weird. Maybe it's because of Arch. Yeah. Who knows? What is this starter QA? Oh, okay. What here the audio? What audio? Yeah, there is a Discord. You can just type in join.thehorde.dev. Like this. My coolest ever subdomain. Yeah, fire now looks really amazing. Is it done? Fire is okay. Exactly the case the fire focus button produces. Let me cut that without changing the look. Okay, final white scene check. And then we are going to push this one. Ready to work. Okay, let's push it manually like caveman. Is it this one? Yes, it is. Fire. Kill it with fire. Pushing that one, and we can check the Vercel for the deployment of our 4elements Opus thingy deployments, if that one is going to work. Already 4 seconds only for deployment. You can refresh, guys, and you're going to see the new fire in our new benchmark for Opus 5. That's it. We finished testing out Opus 5 for this benchmark, and I can say this one is really, really amazing. I can't believe it that it created something like this. Where is that link? Let me see so I can send it again. 4elements. Anyone has that link for the 4elements? I can just get it from Vercel. Here it is. Soul is better. Are you just trolling, my man? First of all, we don't know. I mean, Soul is amazing. I'm using the model all the time. We can see here that I have $50,000 in Soul in Codex only, but I cannot tell which one is better. Opus 5 looks amazing. I'm definitely going to try it out on more complex things and on like some complex tasks on real projects. I'm definitely going to try it out on VideoOrc because this is literally the most complex project I have, and here I can use it like for this native preview for some things that are really hard to figure out by any model, and this is the perfect way of testing it with VideoOrc. So I'm definitely going to create plans for some things here for new features, and then I can tell if it is better or not. But for now, for this 4 elements benchmark, it really cooked, man. This one really cooked. Menu bar I'm using, it's open usage. It's fully open source and free project. Let me send it to you. Really cool project. Open usage. I love it. Here you can literally see everything. You can see here my grok, my codex, Claude. You can see all the things. Cursor, I just removed those because I'm not using them. And it's really amazing. I have it on command and then 1, and then it's opening here from my menu bar from here. Awesome open source project. Give it a star. Okay, guys, we finished the benchmark. We have it. I'm just now going to create X post for this one to show it to the world. And thank you for being on this live stream. Don't forget to subscribe and to put like on this live stream, and see you around. Enjoy, guys. Oh, let me now try out my new, where is the end? Here it is. Haha, how awesome. See you guys. Thank you for being on the live stream.